to change your e-lock combination on a Lagarde. So right now our door is closed and locked, and we're going to do our default password to open it, which is 1 2 3 4 5 6. We'll open our door and lock it. Just want to make sure this is open so we don't get locked out when we're changing our combination. And to start this process, we're going to do 6 zeros. 1 2 3 4 5 6. And you'll see this light up. That means you know you're ready to go. So you're going to do your old combination once. So we'll do 1 2 3 4 5 6, and then the light's still on, so we're going to do the new combo twice. So we'll do 6 5 4 3 2 1, and then again 6 5 4 3 2 1. Awesome. So we'll do 5 4 3 2 1. Now you're unlocked. Thanks for watching.
Check the links in the description below to learn more. Don't forget to click the like and subscribe button and the bell notification to get notified when we drop new helpful videos. Thanks for watching.